In Scooks, we call the various pieces of content that make up a course lectures. Lectures can include videos, documents, links to external web pages, images, or interactive SCORM files. There are a couple of ways to add lectures into a course. The first way is to create a course by dragging and dropping existing content from the library. I'll select a library from the upper navigation bar, then find the library content I want to add to this course and drag them into the course bar at the bottom of the page, saving when finished. I can then proceed with configuring the course and organize the lectures later on. For an existing course, I'll select Manage, then Edit Lectures. Along the top, I can choose from several types of lectures. Add Lectures allow me to add content from the Academy library. Import from Web lets me link an external web page as a lecture. I simply need to type in or copy and paste the entire web page's address, including HTTP or HTTPS, into the field and click Fetch. If found, Scooks will automatically try to capture an image, title, and description from what it finds there. If the image doesn't work, I can remove it and add another later on. I can then add it to this course as a lecture as supplemental material to the Academy library, shared with the groups in the Academy, and more. For this time, I'm just going to add this as a lecture and save. Note that Scooks handles links in 3 distinct ways, depending on the type of the link it is. Links like a YouTube or TED Talk video send the information necessary for tracking purposes. Other links do not send this information and will show as 100% complete as soon as the learner opens it, but will track the time spent there. Then there are those web pages that do not allow themselves to be embedded. These links will show up as errors or blank pages within the Scooks and will need to be linked by other means, linked from a PDF, for example. Please test links to make sure they work as you intended before publishing. The remaining upload options will work very much the same way. In fact, if I wanted, I could select Upload Video and upload a presentation instead. I can either drag and drop files from my computer onto the window that appears or use one of the tools or services shown on the left. I can upload as many as 20 items at one time. Files need to be under 6 GB in size, which should cover most needs. Note that videos may take a while to complete the conversion process, as Scooks converts each video into 10 different formats, 5 for desktop consumption and 5 for mobile consumption. Then, when uploaded as before, I can adjust and share as needed for each file uploaded, saving when finished. Please see our SCORM guide for more information and specifics on uploading SCORM packages. After uploading the needed lectures, I then have a couple of decisions to make concerning learner accountability, whether they can fast forward and rewind videos, download videos for offline learning, and copy document text. Please note that videos need to be directly loaded into Scooks for the prevention of fast forwarding to work. Links to YouTube videos and the like will not prevent this functionality. Lectures by default are not visible within the course. To make them visible, you will either flip their visible switch or check their checkbox and select visible at the top of the list. I can always adjust lectures here if needed. I can edit the title and description, upload, or adjust the thumbnail image, delete the lecture entirely, or update the lecture with a newer version.